Okay, so let's walk through the courier example of the nested simple if. So as before, you do your formatting. The title, Cork Couriers, is centered and merged. Font size increased to 16 point and bold. The column headings, highlight the row, choose right click and choose format cells. On the alignment tab, you wrap the text, and again you hit bold. You resize the columns appropriately, and that's your formatting done. So then I have my premium cell, which is a nested simple if. I know it's a nested simple if because I've got three options. If it's a bike, there's no premium. If it's a car, there's a 20% premium, and if it's a van, there's a 40% premium. So there's three options, therefore two if statements following along our nested simple if rules. So I start off by calling up my insert function and calling up my if function dialog box. And under my logical test, I go and I check. I go to cell B4 and I'm checking to see if it's equal to a bike. Okay, if it's equal to a bike, then there's no premium. But if it's false, I need to go and check again because there's still two options I need to work with. So I start typing the syntax of my if statement. If, open my bracket, I go and check again. So I go get my transport again, and this time I'll see if it's equal to a car. Remembering that when it's a text comparison, you put it in double quotes. If it's equal to a car, then I go and get the price, which is in C4, and I multiply it by 20%. And if it's a van, which is the only item that's the only possibility that's remaining, I don't need to do any checking or anything. I know it's a van. By default, by all the others being eliminated, I go and I get the price again, and this time I multiply it by 40%. I close my bracket and I hit OK. And I drag that down, and appropriately I see my discounts applied when it's a car and when it's a van. And that's my full if statement there. It equal to if, open my brackets, go and check if it's a bike. If it's a bike, the true value is 0. If not, I open up a new if statement and check if it's a car. If it's a car, I calculate a 20% premium, otherwise a 40% premium. And my full price then is just a simple calculation of the price plus the premium. And I drag that down. And then I select all those currency cells and I hit the currency button to format them appropriately. And that's my courier example with a nested simple if. Three options, therefore a nested if required.